What is love? Isn't love wonderful? You meet that special someone and the world shifts its gravitational pull. All you can think of is them. You are drawn to be together. I sign up to the brain chemistry theories of love, which is no less intoxicating for its science. The pair bond that emerges from that whirlwind is the love a marriage is based upon. What determines if the relationship will continue and thrive is more down to earth. Commitment, compatibility, shared values and goals, compromise, chemistry, forgiveness, vulnerability, and trying to make it work. It's important, I feel, not to indulge in magical thinking, imagining some golden scenario rarely achieved that makes a marriage stick, or signing up to some ideal you can never achieve. Life is messy. The book of love isn't pristine and flawless. It's battered with pages torn out and some stuck back in. Pages are blotted and tear-stained. It has fraying edges and coffee marks. It is infinitely imperfect and lived in. That's real love. That takes on the challenges of life time and again, and then comes back for some more. Marriage is nothing if not the day-to-day routine of life. In its simplest form, it's being there for the other person, which can be easy or incredibly difficult, depending. Life is hard. Impossible, really. Our human frailties and mortality make it a tough road, but equally life is full of joy and love and the simple pleasures that make it all worthwhile. In the day-to-day living, love is hope. No one knows what life will hold. Marriage is a leap of faith that wakes up each day and tries again. A good marriage is worth effort and compromise, for the warmth, support and human connection is priceless. Wishing you all a life full of love as we celebrate 25 years of marriage with grateful hearts.